zombies in the first place. Since they're inside the fenced area, they have no way to escape. The team decides to look for the location marked with an X on the map to investigate what's going on. Moments later, they find the village from the beginning, but they don't see anyone around, just a destroyed party covered in blue powder. While DeCruz begins working on fixing a truck, Priest Killer notices lights in the church, so they go inside, only to discover a rather disturbing lab. Among all the blood-covered tools, there's a container with the same symbol from the train. Suddenly they hear a noise and find a woman coming out of hiding. It's Anna, the bride from the wedding. She explains that when the Nazis opened fire, she was saved by her husband falling on top of her. Then they threw the blue powder, and Anna used the distraction to hide. Soon she heard the dead people moving again and the Nazis laughing while watching from afar. Every now and then they would capture some zombies and bring them into the church, where they put up a lab to experiment on them. All of a sudden there was an explosion and the blue powder started to spread, and then there were Nazi zombies too. The few survivors tried to escape, but they never stood a chance. While the group hears the story, the commissar finds all the paperwork related to the experiments and steals it. At that moment they hear the engine of the vehicle, but when the group tries to leave, the commissar blocks the door with his gun out. He confesses he's stolen the formula for the blue powder and wants to use it to win the war, but he also wants to leave anyone from the opposite side behind. His team refuses, and when Sergeant threatens him, DeCruz enters the building, so Commissar takes him hostage. Using him as a shield, Commissar slowly leaves the church before throwing DeCruz back into the team. However, before he can shoot, a horde of zombies jumps on him to eat him. Flor immediately closes the door and reveals she knows this church, so she guides them to the back where a secret underground tunnel hides behind another door. As the group rushes through the tunnel, Anna suddenly transforms into a zombie and attacks Jurel. The others push her away from him, and as they struggle, Anna bites Rafir on the foot. He kicks her away, and while Jurel holds her down, Priest Killer shoots her in the head. Rafir's foot has a red stain, so the others make him take off his shoe and sock to prove Anna's teeth didn't reach his skin. At that moment they hear the zombies coming closer, so they keep on running and reach a gate, which they shoot open to escape.